Hi and welcome everybody to a new video on Valentine's Photo Paradise. Today I'll be showing you how to load a film and unload the film from the Canon 7, and I'll also be going over the main functions of the camera. I will be loading some HP5 today. Never can go wrong with black and white film, and especially Ilford HP5. In order to load film into the camera, the first thing you're gonna do is turn the camera around and take out this little lever, twist it. It removes this little thing right here, the little pin, and then you can just pull down this lever and the back is gonna open automatically. There we go. Now we can take out this lever, just pull it out, and then put in your film spool on the left side, just like this. You can put this back in for now and take out a little bit of the film. And oops, I'm sorry for not showing you. Take out a little bit of the film and then try to put it right into this place here on the spool. I'm sorry, I'm really terrible with the placement right now because I'm way too focused on this, but yeah, try to put it right in here. If you need to move it, you can always move it with the advanced lever. So as you can see, make sure it's nice, tight and snug. So there we go. This looks beautiful to me. Close the back. Make sure to put the pin back up so you won't be able to open it on accident. And yeah, that's it already. Advance 1 or 2 more times. There we go. And that's how you load film into the camera. In the next step, I'm just going to go over the main functions of the camera. So this button right here is the film rewind crank. On here you have different options for the viewfinder, or rather not for the viewfinder but for the focusing lines in the viewfinder. So you have the 50 lines, you have the lines for the 35, and then I think mine is a little bit stiff. I think you have like a 85 and 100, and the last one is 135, I think. As I said, I haven't used mine in a while because I mostly shoot 50 or 35 with this. And then right here you have the light meter. I don't really trust it, so I'm usually using an external one. On here you have the different shutter speeds. So you have the shutter speed dial that goes from bulb mode to 1/1000th of a second. And then this here is your film advance lever. And on here you have the shutter button. This is a lock button, so you can lock the camera, then you can't activate the shutter. And then this is down here is the rewind button. I'm not gonna spool it over because I'm gonna waste a frame that way. But if you move it so that this little black dot right here points toward the R, then you're in a position to rewind the film with this rewind lever. On the front of the camera you can see the self timer lever, and yeah, that's it pretty much already. Down here you have the viewfinder, and I don't actually know what this switch is used for. Oh, I think it's used for the light meter. You have like 2 different light meter options. The one where you read it off the orange numbers, and then you have one where you read it off the white numbers, depending if you're indoors or outdoors. And I think this is a switch between indoor light metering and outdoor light metering or something like it. Yeah, the bottom plate is pretty simple too. You just have your standard tripod socket, and now I'm gonna show you how to remove the lens from the camera if you want to switch lenses. If you want to switch the lens, all you have to do is just get a firm grip on it and twist it to the left, just like this. You can take off the lens and attach another one. If you want to put on the lens, you pretty much do the same thing. You put the red dot on the red dot and you start screwing it back in. Like this red dot here, I thought has to go on this one right here. But with this lens I have already experienced some issues with attaching, and sometimes it's a little iffy, but I have a 35 1.8 that works just fine. By the way, I hope that the birds in the background are not too distracting. I'm just out here in my garden because it's such a beautiful day. So that's how you attach and detach the lens for Canon 7. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope I was able to show you how to load film from the Canon 7, and also or how to load film in the Canon 7, and also the main functions of the Canon 7. In the intro I said I was also going to show you how to deload the film, but I won't be able to because I actually want to shoot this roll. So maybe I'll do another video like after I finish the roll and attach it, we'll see. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Here's some nice detail from the Canon 7. The lens is pretty nice too. The aperture looks beautiful. And yeah, have a good one everybody. Have fun with the camera. Go out and shoot some film. Shoot some black and white for me. Develop it yourself. Print it in the darkroom. That's what it's about. But yeah, have fun everybody. Have a good one. Stay tuned.